everyone, my name is Mary Ann Garnett, and I'm one of the Christian County 4-H agents with the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. So one of my favorite parts of Farm Day has always been making butter, and I'm going to teach you how to make butter at home. Butter is a dairy product which comes from a cow. We get the milk from the cow, and then we can create butter, cheese, ice cream, whipped cream, all kinds of yummy things out of that dairy product. So like I said, we're going to make butter, and all you need is a mason jar and some heavy whipping cream. So if we were actually at Farm Day, instead of a mason jar, we'd be using this, which is a butter churn. And we would pour our heavy cream in and start churning away. But since you probably don't have one of these at home, we're going to go use our mason jar option, like I said. So you're going to you're going to unscrew your lid of your mason jar first. Then pour about a cup, give or so, into the mason jar. Then make sure you screw the lid very tightly and securely so this doesn't splash anywhere. And then you're just going to start shaking. And shake, shake, shake for a really long time. Then you can notice that I've shaken this one for a little bit, and you won't hear anything splashing around, and it's going to feel a little heavier. You actually have made whipped cream. This is the first step of our butter process. You can see, and you can actually add a little sugar to this, and it'll make a yummy ice cream topping. But like I said, we got to keep shaking. So you're going to shake, shake, shake again for a long time, and I've shaken this one even longer. And you can start hearing a little splashing in there. And it sounds like there's something really kind of bouncing around. And that's actually your butter. This is when the solids separate from the liquids. Now that we've done that, you've actually created butter. Now you'll need a bowl and a mesh strainer. If you don't have a mesh strainer, that's totally okay. You can use just some paper towels. And then you can lay your paper towels inside your bowl and then pour your butter into your paper towels. But since I have a mesh strainer, I'm going to use one so you can see what's going on. So we're going to pour all the contents in our mason jar into the bowl. And you'll notice that liquid that came out, and then we have our butter. That liquid is actually buttermilk. And this buttermilk you can use to make yummy pancakes or biscuits or all kinds of different recipes. So you don't have to throw that away. But obviously, we have our butter. So now that we have our butter, you can use all kinds of different things to flavor it, like honey or berries or herbs, all kinds of things. But we're just going to have plain butter. So we have some saran wrap. We're going to lay it out, and we're going to pour, you can put your butter in there and just wrap it up and put it in your fridge for later. One of our favorite ways at Farm Day to use butter is using a saltine cracker. And just put a little bit on there and enjoy.